Okay, sir. So it's a time of pandemic, and it's one of the blessings that we get to chat with you and so many other important people also, because it's a rare opportunity for us to get. Since we are in Dubai, you are in it's California, right? Or tell me
California,
the
yeah.
exact area you are in.
It's San Jose actually. It's a Silicon Valley of the world. This is where
Okay,
you find all Googles and Facebooks and Twitters. It's all over here. All those big
okay,
companies. Yeah.
okay. So how good or how bad is the situation right now in terms of the COVID-19
So
pandemic?
so in America, in California, it's pretty controlled right now. It was pretty bad about a month back. And in all the
Okay.
cities, yeah, New York is very bad right now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But but in California, it's pretty controlled. They are kind of releasing every counties over there, depending. Like over here, we have counties. Like in India, if you take a city like Bombay, I can
Hmm.
say about Bombay because I've lived there, right?
Yeah,
So
you're from.
they'll kind of open up places in Bandra, depending on the situation. They'll open up places in Warsaw depending on the situation. But
Acha, huh.
like Khas, Santa Cruz, if there are a
Hmm.
lot of cases over there, they will not open shops or any other, like hotels and all that. So over here also, it's the same system, right? You have counties over here. So
Instead of.
depending on the situations, what the cases are, they're kind of opening everything. So right now, construction from tomorrow will open. All the workers will start working. Otherwise, essentials are there. Like doctors, hospitals, grocery
Hmm.
stores, pharmacies.
Facilities are medical facilities are everything pretty much
Yeah,
good over there,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I can mix a little bit of Malayalam, right? Because most of our viewers are your fans from south part of India. So I can mix a little bit of Malayalam, I guess, if I have the
Yeah,
liberty.
yeah. Of course, you can mix it, but the thing is that everybody also knows that my Malayalam is very, very good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, because
Yeah, it's pretty good. So, so whatever you're gonna say, whatever you're gonna ask me, so you have to kind of convert that into Hindi or English,
I understand.
and then I can say that, right? I can answer you
Yeah,
properly.
no problem. No
Otherwise,
problem.
if you ask me something in Malayalam and if I don't understand, I might give a different answer.
No, I don't want to mess you up. It's okay. I'll speak in whatever English I know. So, sir, it's going to be 32 years for one of the most epic, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറയാ, the cult super hit blockbuster movies of 1988, right? Vaishali was released in which year? 1988.
Hmm.
August ലല്ലേ?
Yeah, August. I think I don't know the release date, but it's August 1988. Yeah, we were shooting in 1987. Yeah.
87. And okay, so 32 years for this classic. And I want to begin with you must have told this so many times for different interviews, but I want to know, how do you get to be the part of this magnum opus movie of that time? Because now we have seen Bahubali with CGs and everything. Back then it was different. There was hardly any computer, maybe, I don't know, but you created this beautiful world with
I didn't.
background
I didn't.
stars.
I didn't create. Bharat sir created. I was just.
Yeah.
I was just a small part of it.
So you are
I feel. I
the
feel
main
anybody.
crucial part of the movie.
I know, but I feel anybody, any actor in my place, if he would have done that role, he would have had the same kind of experience, right? I mean, I'm nothing
Hmm.
special. I was just fortunate to be at the right place at the right time, you know.
But how did that? You were in Bombay that time, right?
Yeah.
You were a model then also, or this
Yeah, I was a model
happened
then.
by?
Then Bardhan sir, he wanted faces. He wanted different faces, not the very Malayalam looking face. And his main thing was the combination of the face and the body also.
Okay,
Those
so
days,
he wanted
those days,
something tall and
yeah, those days people in probably the youngsters in Kerala were not very oriented towards their physique, but right now they are, right. There are a lot of
yeah,
people, a lot of actors
now
over
they are.
there who've got good bodies. Yeah, but we made that time about 30 years back, and maybe that was one of the reasons why he kind of chose me, because he wanted that particular kind of a body and that particular kind of a face which was in contrast to the body. He didn't want a very
Yeah.
hard face. He wanted a soft face
So,
and a tough body.
yeah, because
So
Rishi is that very innocent, fragile, and yeah, maybe the physique is kind of tough, but inside he's a little boy who has no idea of what is happening outside his small
yeah,
territory.
yeah.
So how was the process? Was there any proper audition, or he just
No,
met
no
you and
audition. No
then?
audition. He just saw my photographs and he just called me and I came and he asked me a few questions. He wanted to see how I look without my shirt and
Mm.
that's it. And in fact, those days, uh, South Indian films were not very popular in Bollywood.
No.
I mean, not many people wanted to do films in the South. That happened after I think Mani Ratnam sir made it very, like everybody wanted to work in South that time because of Mani Ratnam sir. But earlier we didn't know much about Malayalam movies. So but the only there was the music director, Mr. Ravi.
But, yeah.
Yeah, so he was the music director of that movie, and he knew my father very well. My father was a musician. I used to work with him. So he told my dad that, tell your son to do this movie because I was not very inclined to do that movie. I was wanting to do something in Bollywood, because I was in Bombay and, that's where everybody wants to do movies, right?
Yeah.
But then I said, okay, let's do it. And then the rest is history. Never
Okay.
expected that even after 30, 32 years, people will
People are
kind
so
of.
interesting. You won't believe, even the teenagers are very fascinated about the world that, Vaishali spoke about the characters. See, they still get excited when they see, not just the
What,
songs
what do you
and
mean by
visuals.
what do you mean by excited?
Excited in a good way, not in a, what way.
Yeah, but
But,
yeah, that's very strange. I didn't do a lot of movies over there in Malayalam, and I felt that if a Malayali boy had to do this role, he would have gained much more than what I gained. What I gained is the love of the Malayalis. Like, I don't know of any actor in India or even in the world who is still recognized even after 30 years. I've never given a continuation of movies that, people remember me from so many movies, so they'll remember me from Vaishali. Just one movie is Vaishali. And like you said, like all youngsters from all ages, like teenagers, I was in Kerala recently to do a show for a channel, and once that show got released, so much of a lot of people started knowing me. Otherwise, Rishi Shingan was like an enigma. Who is Rishi Shingan?
yeah.
Right? I mean, everybody knows me in the movie, but because of all that mukut
Eh,
and all that get up on me, so people actually didn't recognize me. But now a lot of people just recognize me the way I am. So
Yeah.
yeah, so that was very
But
nice actually.
hair and that outfit which you are wearing, not much
Hmm.
changes. You look better now.
Oh really? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Pro-
Because, see, I don't know if that age mentioned on your Wikipedia is the right one, but not a single day more than 35 you look.
Okay, so here's the funny part of it. So I was just checking my Wikipedia
Yeah.
a few days before.
Uh,
So on my Wikipedia it says the age is 65.
65, yeah. I
65.
don't want to tell.
I said 65 really? So the guy who does this Wikipedia thing, I texted him, he's from somebody from Kerala. I said, hey
Yeah.
buddy, so what do you think? I look like 65 to you? Okay, so I texted him my real birthday and he said, hey, not my fault. I'm sorry. Somebody else must have done it. So now they've corrected it to 10, 11 years lesser than
No,
what
no, no. It's pretty much still, you're 65 years old, according to Wikipedia. Still,
54 actually, 66 born.
yeah, but it's 55. It's written on still it's written on 55, 1955 year birth year.
Can you believe that? Yeah, but it's okay. I don't care. Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
after Vaishali, tell me, sir.
after Vaishali, what?
No, no, you are telling something.
No, I don't care. Whatever Wikipedia writes about me,
Yeah.
So if somebody wants to
If you,
know
if
how
you
I
have
look, I'll
managed
just give me a video call, right? I'll tell you how I look, right?
yeah, if you manage to look still this young, then doesn't matter if it is 55 or 65.
Yeah.
So
No,
hats off to you for that, for
65 is
maintaining
like
like this.
65 is like crazy, right? 65 is somebody
I know.
65 is like, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
seriously.
yeah, I'll be 65 another 10, 11 years, so I'm heading there.
So after Vaishali sir, the another classic which you stepped into, Oru Vadakan Veeragatha. So
Hmm.
that also again, MT sir script, Bombay Devi sir is doing the music, Hariharan
Hmm.
sir, and the difference is it's a bigger cast like Mammootty sir is there, Suresh Gopi, Madhavi. So how was that experience like from Bharathan sir to Hariharan sir? Before that, I wanted to ask a few questions about Bharathan sir also. Like how did he used to brief? How he was on set? Because it's a huge loss for us. We couldn't meet him or see his interviews, anything. So through you, at least we can learn about him.
So Bardhan sir, he was very young at heart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing is that he had a very different way of, and it was my first movie,
Yeah.
and he had a very different way. And wherever he used to say action, so there is, he used to do something like this. So once I
With his
asked
side.
him, yeah,
Go behind the
this
camera.
is, yeah. So those days there
Okay.
was no monitor, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I said, why do you do this? So he says, when you do that, then you only see the frame.
Ah.
You don't see the surroundings, and there's no distraction.
Mm.
So
But
he knows.
everyone does this.
Yeah, but he used to do this. Yeah,
Wow.
so that was his style, and he was very funny. He was like he was amazing here. It was quite shocking that he went away too soon. In fact, it's my bad luck that I missed another very good film which he offered me, Amaram.
Hmm. Amiram, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
With
later on I think Ashokan did that
Rocky.
role.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ashokan did that role, and he signed me for Amaram, and I still remember that. Then it would have been my second movie with Mammootty sir. You
Mahmood.
know,
Yeah.
yeah, and but I got typhoid.
Oh,
So my doctor said that, and because the shooting was in in
some beat.
in beach and all that, right?
Yeah.
So my doctor said that if you do this movie, so you can say goodbye to this world. So my parents didn't allow me to do the movie.
Mm-hmm.
So I still remember Bardhan sir telling me on the phone, "Are you sure you don't want to do this movie?" I said, "Sir, my doctor is telling me not to do it." So, but you know what? Right now, after so many years, there's a phase when God gives you all these things.
Mm-hmm.
These are gifts. And later on today, in today's time, if I had typhoid and somebody offered me a movie like Amaram, I would say forget typhoid. I'll still go and do that movie,
Mm-hmm.
right? But when you're
Yeah.
younger, you're more in the sense that you don't care about all these things. You're more governed by your parents. They are
Mm.
protective about you, and they are more concerned about their health. But once you become an adult and once you know the worth of all these things, and if I'd done Amaram, that would have been a third movie, which would have been a big
Yeah.
movie for me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
So that's the thing. But it's anyways, my father always told me one thing, that what God has given you, you should always preserve that, and you should always be thankful to God that what you have, and what you don't have, probably you didn't deserve it. You get my
Ah.
meaning?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
So today, there's a lot of depth in this. What Because
Mm.
a lot of people want a lot of things, but they cannot achieve it. So maybe God has said that, oh, this is what
Man.
you are. You've come to this world for only this.
Yeah.
So be happy. There are a lot of how many actors are there whom people still remember after 32 years?
Yeah, yeah. I
I mean,
completely agree.
I cannot say, but then I can say, what I've done Vaishali, right? So I'm thankful to God about that.
And
So that was
did he tell me, sir?
no, sorry, go ahead. What did you say?
No, he used to draw all the screenplay, no? So, like a storyboard. I
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah, yeah. He
heard
was a
about it.
painter.
Is
He
it
was a
actually?
painter also, right?
Yeah.
He was a paint. So if you see the movie Indrani Mayulam, if you see that song, sorry, the starting of the song, you know, I'm drawing Vaishali on the stone,
That,
right? So all that has been
yeah.
done by Bharadan sir only.
Even that
Bharadan,
inside the cave, the
yeah,
whole.
yeah, 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 yeah. He did that. And when me and Suparna had reached the set, so he showed us drawings, you know, of how Rishi Shingan and how Vaishali would be, you know. So he had an image that this guy should look like this. So that's the reason. And I believe he had already casted somebody in Kerala and he had already started this movie earlier. Then he shelved that movie. Then after 2, 3 years, he came back to Bombay. Then he searched, you know, when he found a producer. And, you know, a lot of people don't give one person credit in this movie. That person is Mr. Ramachandran.
Atlas Ramchandra, of course we know that.
Atlas,
He's in
Atlas
Dubai.
Ramachandran, he's in Dubai, right?
Yeah,
If he had not produced that movie, if we would have not spent so much money in that movie, the movie wouldn't be made. So I want to give him I want to give him a lot of credit on that, you know.
What was the budget of that movie? Sir, any idea? Like roughly how much it would have?
That time it was being hailed as one of the most expensive movies ever made.
Yeah,
And also there was another movie with Mammootty sir, I think in 1947 or something. I don't know what was the. It was a
1951. 19.
yeah. So
I mean,
those movies were yeah being made, and they were like people were saying, you know, this is one. But the thing was that when Vaishali was being made, because of the subject and because it didn't have a Mohanlal or a Mammootty in the movie, so everybody said, you know, maybe this movie is going to be a super flop or a super hit.
super.
Yeah, so
There's no in between.
luckily it went the other way around, right? It didn't become a super flop. But yeah, I mean, today, I mean, like you said, right? Like people from all ages, like teenagers. I mean, that's very surprising, right? I mean, people who were not even born at that time,
Yeah, that is
they are
so
fans of that
yeah.
movie, right? So that's wonderful, right? That's as an actor, I feel so nice because of that.
I was born after the movie, sir.
Thank you for making me feel old.
I knew it. Sorry. Yeah, sometimes it just comes. Okay,
I know, I
so
know.
let's. Okay, let's talk about the second one now. Hariharan sir, MT sir. MT sir also I want to know more about. So he used to come to the set and give you like, this is how my character should be and all.
Yeah, he used to do that, but we were always very scared of him. MT sir
Yeah.
was a silent guy, you know, he never used to talk much, and he was always there on the set, and he was like the silent spectator, like staring at us if we are giving good shots or no. So for me, I was like, what, about 21, 22 that time. I used to never even
Yeah.
look at him, you know, because
Okay.
he was like, he would smoke over there and he would like watch everybody over there. So yeah, but he's such a he's such a big
Excel.
influence on the movie,
Yeah.
and he was the person who got me Vadakkan Veeragada.
He
And
recommended you.
he recommended me. And Bharadan sir was not very happy because
Why?
he wanted Vaishali to come out first.
Acha,
Because
okay.
I understand because that's a different character, right? That I think the character's name was Arumalunni,
Yeah.
right? He wanted this Rishi Shingan image not to get mixed up with any other image.
Okay.
You see, so he wanted that image of a virgin boy to come out first. Like people of Kerala should get to see that boy first, rather than
Yeah.
anybody else, rather than an Arumal Unni or any XYZ. You know. But then I think MP sir convinced him and said, "Ki this movie will come after Vaishali," which
Yeah.
happened. Right? Vaishali released first,
Yeah.
and then they made Vadakkan Veeragada. But yeah, uh, from a very joke a director who jokes all the time to a director who's very serious, right? Hariharan sir
Yeah,
Very
even
serious kind of
I
person.
heard Mammootty sir also kind of
Yeah, he was
was
also a very serious guy. So yeah,
yeah,
he was also very serious, you know. So
everybody was on time on the set, right? Because of
yeah. Because of these two guys, right?
yeah.
Mammootty sir and Hariharan sir. Yeah, but then his style is different, you know. And then something which was very exciting about that movie was I got to do Kalaripayat.
Correct, but,
Yeah, because I'd never done all that, right? So I remember I had come to Palghat about 15 days earlier than the movie was being shot.
um, to
Yeah,
learn the
and then
martial.
yeah, to learn first, you know, from the fight master. Once I started
Mm.
learning that, and when I see some clips of the movie right now, I feel pretty proud of myself. That's quite
Yeah.
a neat thing, yeah. I mean, you know, all that, you
Urumi.
know, with that sword and stuff, and with that
Mm.
flexible sword, and with
Urumi. Yeah.
that shield. It was quite exciting. And then working with Mammootty sir was also very exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are like very completely different from your world. So you had your own research. Yeah, yeah. Imagine a guy from Bombay is
Well,
doing
I'm not from
Rishi's
Spain.
Ringan. No, imagine. See, I cannot relate to people from it's called Vadakan Pata, right? The Vadakan Viragada is one of the epic from Vadakan Pata. So playing that role to Rishi's Ringan, like how did you manage? You had your own research, or it's just the director's vision you just
No
followed?
research, no research. I just you have to, as an actor, you have to put yourself in
Completely.
front of a director, you know. Then he is the person who molds you, basically. So no research here. I didn't even know there was something like Kalaripayat. We only know of karate and judo those days, right? Kung
Oh
fu.
yeah, I know.
But there's
Yeah, yeah.
Kalaripayat also, Kerala martial art. When you go over there, you know, when you dive deep into it, then you come to know that, oh really, even this is there. So, but
It's
now
actually
everybody
fascinating.
knows, especially
Yeah,
a
I
person
know.
from Bombay, right? And yeah, for him, like you're right over there. For a person from Bombay, it's very difficult to. But
Yeah,
anyways,
that is.
I had no choice. I had to do it, right?
So, how did these two movies change your life in Bombay and life in general? Like over the night, you're becoming this popular person in Kerala. I'm sure some of the people must have seen Vaishali in Bombay also, no? That time, at least the insiders in the.
So what happened was Vaishali was also dubbed in Hindi later on,
Mhm.
you know. So what happened was because you know, I was always in some kind of a getup in both these movies. So a lot of
Yeah.
people didn't recognize me if I came like this, you know, in
Mhm.
jeans and my t-shirt, you know. So a lot
Yeah.
of people didn't recognize me. Excuse me. But as an actor, you know, I got to play this two different kind of roles. You know, he is a very impetuous teenager in Vadakan Viragada, you know, who wants to kill this guy.
Yeah.
And then in Vaishali, he is this guy who's never seen a girl before. So these are
Or
like,
anybody.
yeah, these are like contrasting
Yeah.
emotions. Yeah, which was very exciting for me to do. Yeah, but anyways, that it turned out good. And in Vadakan Viragada, I didn't have much to do, but there are some very important scenes with Mammootty sir
Yeah.
in the
Max and
in the
everything.
especially in the climax where he kills
Right.
himself, you know. Like I
That's
still
the reason
remember
I remember.
that Urinnikyo Chandu Chegavare, right? Something like that he says.
No, that
Yeah.
Sandhuവിനെ തോൽപ്പിക്കാൻ ആർക്കുമാകില്ല something that line he tells to you, right?
Yeah.
Before he
Yeah,
chokes
yeah,
him.
yeah.
Yeah.
But the best part of Mammootty sir is that whenever he used to shoot with me, he used to always be laughing because of my accent, right? Yeah, because Malayalam, right? But my Malayalam was, and then I believe the Malayalam which I spoke in Vaishali was a totally different kind of Malayalam. The Malayalam I
Yeah.
spoke in that, but for me it didn't make any difference because I don't know Malayalam.
You don't know the
So you
language,
give
yeah.
me any kind of Malayalam, it is Malayalam for me, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so it didn't make me any difference. But they used to tell me, you know, this Malayalam is different, that Malayalam is different. I said, both Malayalams I don't know, right?
So you used to give that Vaishali influence in while speaking the lines of Vadakkam Veeragada, you're telling, because it's a completely different tones and everything, right?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you know, I used to act, but somebody else came and dubbed for me. That
Now,
person did a very good job, right?
talking about
Yeah.
the local. When
Yeah,
you're
that's why.
shooting it, you influence in your accent and in your Malayalam, like
Hmm.
what you had learned from me.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want to know how your life in Bombay at that time, because we get these stories, models of 90s. They had this wild life, some things which we cannot speak in public also. So how was it for you? Maybe like so
No, I
much,
don't. No,
so
no.
many.
I'm a. See, I'm the only son, right, of my parents. So I am basically introverted. So I was not into all this. I used to be very dedicated to my career. You know, I was in college, so I completed my
Hmm.
college, and then I started, looking out for work in Hindi movies and all that. I was not into all that. No.
No party, nothing like that.
A party, like, not the wild parties you are talking about right now. I was never into all that. Yeah, because I came from a middle class background.
Mhm.
So, and I wanted to make a career out of what I was doing. So I was very focused there. So
And
probably
in
that.
between, tell me some.
In between what?
No, you did one movie also, right, with Girija. What happened to that? It released long after that. No, I saw a poster of you kind of making love. What was that movie about?
Poster of me making love.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that's the only picture of that movie which we can find in internet. I don't know it's available
I
on any
haven't seen that
platform.
movie. I haven't seen that movie. That movie Madhu Ambat sir told me to do,
Mm-hmm.
and they wanted
Who,
that
who
time. They
got
wanted.
Vaishali?
He got a Nandi Award for that movie. You know that,
Yeah, yeah. In
Madhu
the,
Ambat sir.
it got a couple of hours for screenplay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. For screenplay, for best audio, and I haven't seen that
But
movie
it,
yet.
mm,
I haven't. I'm still trying to search any song on it in YouTube.
no,
I'm not getting anything right.
it's not there.
Yeah. So
Ah,
Girija was
that
my
photo.
co-star. Yeah, Girija was my co-star, and she came from I
Gitanjali.
think Gitanjali Priyansa's movie with
Gitanjali.
Mohanlal, right? Yeah.
No, no. With Nagarjuna. Gitanjali was Maniratnam's movie with Nagarjuna.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry,
Vandana
sorry.
was
Vandana or
Vandana
Chitram?
was with, sorry?
Chitram or Vandanam
No,
was with
Vandana
Mohanlal.
with Mohanlal. That directed by
Ah, yeah,
Pritham.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, sorry, sorry. My mistake. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so she was there in that movie, and she was not from India. She was from the UK.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but yeah, but I don't know. It was kind of a offbeat kind of a movie, and it took a lot of time to make it because the producer wanted to make in all the languages: Hindi, Telugu,
Mm-hmm.
Tamil, Malayalam,
Asha.
and I think it went into some problem because of distribution and all that. Then later on it released after 5 6 years or 10 years, I don't know what. And I don't know, I've not seen a single frame of that movie.
What was it about? It's a love story.
To be very frank, I forgot what it was all about.
Okay, let's just skip that part then. It's okay. So I from that poster I presumed it's a love story. It's a pretty intense
Yeah,
deep
yeah,
love
it was
story.
a love story. I think it was about this actor which me who falls in love with this journalist, and he wants to marry this journalist who's Girja, but she doesn't want to marry me because she was physically abused earlier by somebody, maybe raped or something, so she always has this thing that she whenever she wants to consummate something, a relationship, she gets those dreams about
Yeah.
her past. I think in a nutshell that was what it was all about. Yeah, that's what I remember of the movie, but I haven't seen that movie, so I don't know why I can't even find it on YouTube. Then I did a
Yeah.
Tamil. Then I did another movie with.
Bengali.
I did a Bengali movie. Yeah, I did a Bengali movie with Suparna. We did two movies together. Then I did another Telugu movie called Amma Kadapu Challaga. You
Okay.
know, yeah. So that I did. Then I did one Tamil movie with Cochin Hanifa sir.
Yeah.
That movie also didn't release, you know, and we shot that movie in Kerala, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Question
so
Nifas are there, right?
he directed that movie. Yeah, he was a
Yeah.
fun guy to work with. Yeah,
Yeah, he
yeah,
was a
he was
pretty
a
big
fun
director
guy.
back. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and but he was a very nice guy. Cochin Anifa sir
Yeah.
he was very funny. He was very nice. Yeah. But he even went away too soon, right? But there were these setbacks in my career, of
Mm-hmm.
movies not releasing. That's a big thing, right, for an actor,
Mm-hmm.
because
They
yeah, it sets you back, right? Even my Hindi movie, I did a very
mm.
big movie with Gulshan Kumar. It's there on YouTube. It's called Shabnam. You know.
Okay.
So 1995, 94, 90, yeah, 93 and 94. So that movie didn't release, completed and didn't release. So all these are setbacks in my life,
Mhm.
which I couldn't recover from. So yeah,
So, when did you actually decide to shift your base? Like this US thing happened
this is just 10 years back.
recently.
Yeah, just recently, 10 years back. I actually completed 10 years yesterday coming to US.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. So, and then I did a lot of television over there in India, in Bombay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but I was always then I did another movie in Malayalam called Poonilamar. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you had beautiful songs. Attu if you
yeah,
know
yeah,
that song.
yeah. So and I got to know that song is still a rage in
It is
Kerala.
actually.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
funny, right? I mean, songs still being a rage. So and in fact
Of
about
your
that movie,
biggest
that the music director of the movie is Lakshmikant Pyarelal, right?
yeah.
And in that song, my father played the accordion. If you see that part over there, the
Mm-hmm.
beginning part, and I was not even signed for that movie. I think
Okay.
they had approached Madhavan for that movie earlier for that. Yeah,
I'll,
because Madhavan was in Bombay, right? He's a
oh
guy
yeah,
from
yeah.
Bombay, right? So they had approached him, and then later on, I don't know what happened with him. Then they took me, and but yeah,
Okay.
I depended a lot on that movie, right? That movie didn't do well.
But
Again, see
that,
that
that,
movie.
that was
What?
also a big budget movie, right? You shot some Sri Lanka or somewhere there,
No, not
right?
Sri Lanka. No, not Sri Lanka. Seychelles. It's next to
It's-
Mauritius. Yeah, it's
Okay,
it's
okay.
it's a neighboring country. So yeah, so even that movie, they made it in a very Hindi style, very Hindi style movie.
Yeah, yeah. It's very
And
Kayamatta kind of a story, right?
yeah, 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 yeah. And also that had a delayed release. That movie also
Yeah.
didn't release, when it should have released, and it flopped also. It was a miserable flop. So if
Mm.
that movie had done well, probably I would have done more movies in Malayalam. So yeah, so
And
those.
that time itself we couldn't recognize you. This movie I clearly remember because that songs were huge hit in when we were in school. So we have seen that movie and we couldn't recognize that it's the same guy from Vaishali. So you can actually
Yeah,
imagine.
because it wasn't this, right? What Vaishali,
Again,
yeah,
college guy.
maybe
It's
if
funny
I
actually. I remember now. I have seen it in when it was released, 96 or 97.
yeah, that is the time the movie released, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
that is the time it released. Yeah, so
The
with
reason
Vash,
why I said Sri Lanka because there is a scene in which she says she has been taken to another country and she says you don't need visa to come here or something. That's why probably it registered in my head. It's Sri
no, no,
Lanka.
no, 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 no. In Seychelles, it's visa on arrival.
You don't need
No, no, you don't need a
Acha.
visa. It's visa on arrival. Yeah.
See that?
So
I remember.
yeah. So yeah. So in that, so what Vaishali did to me is it
Hmm.
it branded me in the
I
in
see
the
wishes.
eyes of the Malayalis. It branded me as Rishi Shingan,
Yeah.
right? They could only see Sanjay Mitra as Rishi Shingan.
Yeah.
So
They don't want
yeah,
to cut it.
they
And
don't want me to see. So maybe it could be a curse, you know, that or but now I think the minds of see now after so many years, when I did this show on this Unnu Munnu Mono,
Oh, no, 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 yeah.
yeah, a lot of people called me, a lot of directors and producers, they called me and they called me for, they said, Ki, you know what, we want to try and we want to use you in a role of a police inspector. So
Mm-hmm.
I started laughing. I said, from Rishi Shingan to police inspector.
Police.
I said, yeah, this is like a 360-degree turn, right? It's like a big jump. I mean, there's nothing in between. So yeah, let's see if those things materialize. That would be exciting for me because I want to do something which is
Right?
what? Sorry, I didn't get your question. What was
You're
that?
still open to the. You're still open to acting, right? You still want to
Yeah,
act.
of course.
Act more.
Yeah. Why not? Yeah, why not? But it should be something very nice, because I mean, I cannot waste myself.
Hmm.
Otherwise, all that, whatever that good things of Vaishali is, it's still there. It
Yeah,
will
you
just
don't have
come
to.
crashing down. Yes. Yeah. If I don't do it, it's okay. If I do it, it has
Uh,
to be good. Then at the end of the day, hit or flop, it's a different issue. But at least people will say that, oh, he came in a good character. That's important.
true, true. So, what exactly happening in your life now? How is it there in California? What all happening? How is your normal day like?
My normal day over here, I'm into real estate, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I am into real estate. That's what I do out here, and I've got my music.
Yeah.
I'm a son of a musician, so music is there in my blood. So that's what I
Yeah.
do.
Can you sing a two lines? I want to ask you from the beginning. I thought I'll open with a song, but at least now you can sing a few lines, please.
I tried a little bit with this Punila Mara song, this attitude, but the lyrics are
Understood.
yeah, it's pretty tough. So
You can sing a Hindi song. It's okay. It's as long as
Hindi
it's
song,
good music.
Hindi song.
Hindi song also you can sing. You don't have to sing Malayalam if you're not comfortable.
I'll sing a little bit. This
Uh,
നീലാകാശ ചെരുവിൽ നിന്നെ കാണാൻ വെൺതാരമായി na 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 something like that, right?
Beautiful song, no? No wonder it's still a popular song.
I know, yeah, but I found the lyrics of that Vaishali song much more easier for me.
Really, that's actually a more refined Malayalam. We don't speak like that. It's very
maybe
poetic
maybe
language.
maybe I'm used to more refined Malayalam.
Yeah. You're from another zone now. If you're saying that, because none of us speak that language.
Yeah.
2-3 Hindi movie songs you can sing, no?
Okay. महफिल मेरी हम न रहे तो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है, कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया, चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे या.
No wonder Vaishali fell for you. It's very difficult.
I never used to sing those days.
Really?
No, I never. Singing is just very recent. Maybe about 4-5 years I started singing. Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen some of your videos which you have shot with like you have done a few cover songs or something like that, right?
Yeah, cover songs, yeah.
So let's just wind up. Before that, let us know like what are your when you are going to visit Kerala.
So I'm going to be visiting Bombay first. Okay, my mom's
Uh,
there. In fact, I was going to visit her this month on the 7th, last month actually, April 7th, but I had to cancel my tickets, you know, because of
okay. Flights are cancelled.
this COVID-19 thing. So once we can all freely move around like we used to do before, you know, I plan to visit Bombay. Then probably I'll come to Kerala for a few days. And if you're in Dubai, I can meet you in Dubai on the way
Dubai.
back.
You should
Way
visit
back.
Dubai also.
If I'm flying Emirates, so I'll stay over in Dubai.
That,
Yeah. So that's the plan, and I hope everybody's safe over there in Kerala. You know. So yeah, I think that's it.
we missed an important thing. The conversation actually began with Mr. Padmarajan sir.
Oh yeah, Padmarajan sir, right? Yeah, yeah. Because I remember I told you about that. So
Yeah.
Padmarajan sir, he didn't want to cast me in this role because he wanted a different image for that character.
Gandhar.
Yeah, for that Gandharvan character, right? But I remember meeting him when me and Suparna, we both had gone to see the movie together. When it had
After
not
the
released. No. It
okay.
had not released the trial because even the producer of the movie was from Bombay, right? Goodnight, that Goodnight
Right,
Mohan. Yeah, he used to make those Goodnight mosquito coils. He's the guy,
correct.
right? So even he was from Bombay. So I still remember I went to see the trial of the movie, and everybody was there, and that's where I met him, Padmarajan sir. And I still remember one scene. You know, I think Nitish comes from inside the water. There is one
In the
shot of
sea,
him.
she gets a small statue from the sea. She gets it.
Right.
The statue
And
he comes out.
then I from behind, I remember he was sitting in front and I was sitting behind with Suparna. And I said, hey, this is from Vaishali because that's my scene from Vaishali, right? My
Yeah.
introduction scene in Vaishali is, you know, coming from the river. So he looked at me and he was smiling, you know, because I think,
Okay.
yeah, both of them, Bardhan sir and Padmarajan sir, used to like their
They're very
ideologies and the filmmaking was, you know, pretty much the same, right?
big.
And one thing in Kerala, I heard that most of these directors they discuss the scripts, you know, amongst themselves. You know,
Yeah.
when one is shooting a script, they'll discuss with the other director and all this. So that thing is there. So probably, you know, so he found that funny when I said, "Oh, this is from Vaishali, right?" So yeah, that was like all which I kind of remember. I'm talking what like almost about 30, 31 years back, right?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Easily. Not
easily.
30 years, but 28, 29 easily. Yeah.
So Gandharvan came after 2 years, right, of Vaishali?
Yeah.
Or 1 year
Yeah.
after Vaishali? Two
Not
years
one
after
year,
Vaishali.
2 years.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Yeah. 30 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for taking time out for this small
Thank you
chat.
so much, Shanim. Thank you so much. I wanted to do this for you. I know we've been planning this, and I promise that once if we meet in Dubai, we'll do this
Dubai, that
one-to-one
was the
thing. Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
But let's see. Inshallah, we'll do that also soon,
Of course.
hopefully.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Shanim.
Okay.
Take care. Be safe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.